Hello everyone, this is Carell Mel with Key Lifestyle Solutions. Today I wanted to share a little bit about my personal meditation space and how I have it set up. I'm going to talk a little bit about what you might want to put in your meditation space or where you might want to set one up. And also just an example of how I meditate. There are different ways of meditating, as I mentioned in our blog. You could do a nature walk meditation. You could be laying on the bed doing a meditation. The key thing about doing meditation is that you want to be able to quiet the mind. That's the goal, to quiet the mind and stop the chatter that keeps going on. So I thought it would be fun if I was sharing or start to share my healing space, teaching space, and how I have it set up down here. And as we know, the universe is changing, and this is a time of awakening for many people. And I think if we can get together and be able to share this online with many folks, I think that would be a good thing. I think that would help people. There's 3 candles, so I light them. I'm going to light this just briefly. I light my candles, and then I recognize Danichi and the Buddhas. I do 3 bells, like a sacred bell, to clear the energy. And I'll have Om music on. There's lots of different Oms on YouTube. Or you could just be silent. You don't really need to have that. Then I put Chokure over the rim of the cup and I drink the sacred water. I give thanks. And also, at the same time, in this particular way of meditating for me, I have a red blanket. And I wear that in the morning over top of my house coat. And then I close my eyes, take a deep breath. I get centered into the space. I make sure that my right foot's over my left. I might start off with a mudra of fingertips touching. And we'll talk about different mudra hand positions at another time, but for today we're going to keep it very simple. And I'm just going to have that on my lap. Now you, of course, could be sitting in the lotus position on the floor. For me, it's more comfortable sitting in the chair right now. And close your eyes. Take 3 clearing breaths. As I get settled into the position of my meditation. And I'll just keep with the energy and allow my mind to quieten. That's the important thing, is to let the mind become quiet. And of course I have the lights turned down. I don't have the lights on when I'm doing my meditation, but for the purpose of doing our video today, I have the lights on. There are some other things that I do in my personal meditations, but you don't have to be doing that. You could be just doing Om. You could just be in silence. You could set the timer if you know, like, be with it as long as you can. 10 minutes, 5 minutes if you're just starting. Work up to 30 minutes, work up to an hour. And when I'm complete, then I do 30 minutes or more of self-healing with Reiki. I do this every day. I've been doing this every day since about the beginning of October. And I got a message that this was going to be important. So I started practicing every single day. So I get up at around 5-ish, 5:30, I'm down here starting my meditation. That is the tip for the day. I hope you enjoyed it. Namaste.